If you're trying to recover deleted chats on your Instagram account, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process needed to successfully recover and see all of the deleted chats on your Instagram account. If this is something that you want to learn today, and if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Now, in order to recover and see your deleted chats, what you'll need to do is download your information off Instagram. To do that, just tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and tap on your activity. From this section, you can scroll down, and on the bottom, you'll see download your information. Just tap on it and tap on request a download. Select your profile and then tap on next. Now, either you can choose to download the entire file, including anything that is on your Instagram, or you can also select the type of file that you want. So in this case, I suggest you to select the second one, which is select type of information. And here you can just scroll down and select the messages. This way everything won't be downloaded and only the messages will be retrieved. So select the messages option, tap on next. And then you do not need to mess with any of these. You just need to tap on submit request. Now the request has been sent to Instagram and you'll receive an email notification of those downloads. This would not take a lot of time. Within a few minutes, you should have that email sent to you. And as you can see, I've received this mail from Instagram within a few seconds. Yours should be also sent to you by Instagram within a few minutes if there are not a lot of messages on your account. So from this mail, what you need to do is just tap on download your information and tap on download. Lastly, you need to type in the password of your Instagram account and tap on continue. Now, as you can see, this has been downloaded. You can just tap open it, and this is in a form of a zip file, so you need to extract it. Just tap on extract file to, and you can select your phone, tap on extract, and this will be extracted to your storage. Now, as you can see, this is the extracted file. It's going to say Instagram and it's going to say your name. Just tap on this file and tap on the messages. Tap on inbox and you can see all of the people that you sent a message to. You can just tap on individual names and tap on the chat and select the Google Chrome option. And this way it's going to show you the exact messages that you have sent to that person. So that is the step-by-step process of recovering your deleted chats on Instagram. This was a lengthy process, but however, you need to do it if you want to recover your messages. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.